All right, all right, all right. We got about 10 minutes left to the end of the market. And hey, before we start anything, do me a favor, subscribe and hit the bell and hit the like. It goes a long way. So today I was tweeting. Since I can't stream, I've been tweeting my plays. And actually, we had a really nice move today in the market. We picked up about $800 a contract on the first move this morning. And we were trading off of the 5-minute chart. And then we picked up $250 a contract just on 1/3 of the position. Those of you who trade with me or have traded with me know that I break my positions up into 3 units, and I just peel off as it moves along. So I'm just banking money on the move up. But the first move was really nice, and we picked up about $800 a contract. And I think that was on the second half. Second half. We took it off in two pieces. So I think we went $500 a contract on the first half, and then $800 a contract on the second half. Yeah, nice moves. Good day today. All right, let's just get right down to it. The day was a little slow until the Fed started speaking. It was the confirmation hearing for Powell, and it was interesting enough. But as you could see yesterday, we had that really nice hammer, and then we broke the high, and we had the follow through. And I believe the break of the high is where we took the trade this morning. Yeah, it was just a really good day. So it looks like we're coming up against this pennant again. But really, if we look on the 60-minute, where is that confounded 60-minute? Here we go. So the 60-minute should be a retrace of the move down, which it is. There it is, 55. Figure maybe 61, we might hit it tomorrow. 55 is not bad. So really what I'm watching, I'm going to look for a top. We could continue this energy. Everything looks okay. It looks like the 60 minutes rolling over a little bit, but I mean, there's no topping pattern really. So and we may close a little higher. 61 may be our target, but it's not unlikely that we tag that and then do a retrace again of a retrace of the retrace before we make another move up. So I'm going to be looking for a topping pattern in tomorrow's market, depending on where we open also. And then maybe a retrace to the 647 line. So that's pretty good trading right there. You got about 60 points in there, and we're going to try to capture something on the move in that, and then probably change our bias to bullish if we do tag this 55% area. So yeah, I'm liking it, man. I'm liking it. It was a good day. So anyway, the Twitter account should be in the description below. If you sign up on that, you'll be able to follow me on the trades. I'll tweet out some information, and we can communicate and things of that nature. So yeah, you can send me some love through Twitter. And actually, you know what? There's a tip jar too, man. If you're making money with me and you like what I'm doing, yo, tip your host, baby. It'll go a long way. You could even tip in Bitcoin if that's your thing. So look for that, and look for the information in the description channel, the description area of this video. I don't do all that stuff. I got a free folk who's helping me out with that, so I can just focus on what I do. So hopefully he gets savvy and gets it done. Anyway, I hope everybody had a good day. And I hope everybody who joined me today made some money. Everybody who knew I was tweeting. Some people knew I was tweeting. I had some responses. So, yeah, hook that up and trade along with me and tip your host. I mean, it warms my heart, man. And then I could pour some of that loot into the channel and maybe get things going a little better. Hey, man, just, be calm and cool. Be at peace when you trade. And good luck trading.